Hello and cheers! This is my first smoothie of the year. First smoothie of 2020, of the decade. It's just a gorgeous day outside, if you can't tell. It feels like spring, and I guess that's fitting because it's February 1st. Probably in most places in the country it's not like this, but I'm one of the lucky ones, I guess. So in this smoothie I have just some vanilla almond milk, a little bit of cacao powder, frozen banana, frozen strawberry, and I put in a little bit of this organic superfood blend that I have. I've talked about it in my vegan pantry video, so I'll leave a link for that if you want to check it out. But it's basically, it's kind of like a protein powder with a bunch of other nutrients in it and like nuts and seeds and veggies. They made it into a powder, so it's good stuff. I would usually have smoothies for breakfast in the summertime, but you know, today was just a gorgeous day that I really felt like having this instead of my usual oats or cereal or something like that. I'm gonna finish this up and catch you later. Bye. For lunch today, I'm having some leftovers. This is some kale pecan pesto linguine that I made last night. My husband loved it, so did I. There's still a few chunks of Parmesan crusted tofu in there, and I also made some roasted grape tomatoes to go in there. There's not a whole lot left, but this was really good. I'm thinking of making a recipe video for the pesto not too long from now. It was actually really good. So this pesto is oil-free, and I have a very special technique for making it still nice and thick and creamy, but keeping it oil-free. Because I've tried making oil-free pestos before, and they were still good, but they were kind of watery. But this one is like spot on texture-wise, so so good. It's a nice variation on the typical red sauce type of pastas that I usually have, and I used whole wheat linguine. This is just too good. So after this, right now I am waiting on my video files to encode, handbrake, whatever, minimize the file size on my computer. So I'm gonna finish my lunch and then I'm gonna head over to Sprouts while there's still a little bit of daylight. I'm gonna pick up some more kale, and I'm gonna pick up some fresh fruit and probably some other veggies for my meal prep this week. I usually meal prep on Sundays, which is tomorrow, so I will catch you later for dinner. I don't know exactly yet what I'm gonna make. I do have a block of tempeh in the fridge that's been in there for a while that I'm thinking of making something with, so we'll see. Here is dinner. I made some barbecue tempeh with some oil-free oven-baked fries and roasted veggies. This was really easy to make, so I started out by just chopping up my potatoes into little wedge shapes, and then I just seasoned them with salt, pepper, smoked paprika, and garlic powder, and I put them on a baking sheet with a silicone mat, and then I just popped them in the oven at 425 degrees for 35 minutes, and they come out nice and perfect. You don't even have to flip them at all. While these were cooking, I also put in a sheet pan of just frozen mixed veggies, and I put them in there, and they come out not just cooked but nice and roasted as well. For the tempeh, I just cut it up into little pieces and I browned them in a non-stick pan with no oil, just kind of enough to get some color on them. And then I just added some barbecue sauce and a little splash of water to just kind of make it saucy, and then just covered the pan to let it all cook. And yeah, it's enough for 2 large, generous portions. So my husband and I are going to enjoy our dinner now. I ended up passing out and taking a nap after dinner. It was not my intention. I just laid down, but 20 minutes turned into an hour and a half. So it felt really weird after that. I don't know if you've ever experienced sleep inertia where you know you're sleeping, you know that you want to wake up, and you just can't get up. It's a weird feeling. So anyways, I've been up now for more than an hour by now, so I'm okay. And my video is just processing. This is my fried rice video. I'll leave a link for it. And I'm just gonna have just a little late night treat. These are probiotic chocolates. How cool is that? I found these at Costco. I think they're a good excuse for having chocolate. I mean, really, it's got probiotics in it. One serving size is actually 6 pieces. I had one earlier and I'm gonna have one now, but I know my husband can definitely go through a whole serving size. Let me show you what these look like. I did not used to enjoy dark chocolate, but after going vegan, that was the only kind of chocolate I chose to have. So this is what they look like. But now, dark chocolate has definitely grown on me, and dark chocolate is a source of natural flavonoids and other antioxidants, so why not? Let's indulge, right? I'm gonna call it a night. I'm going to do the dishes now and prepare my husband's salad for his work tomorrow and just upload my fried rice video so you'll get access to that. And until next time, have a great week. Oh, and let me know in the comments, do you want to see more what I eat in a day videos / vlog videos? I'd love to know. Also, be sure to give the video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe and hit the notification bell, all that good stuff if you want to catch more videos, which I share every Sunday. Bye for now! You know you're sleeping, you know that you want to wake up, and you just can't get up.